Welcome to dear friend of XIAOMI Redmi 4X, and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and now in the search pool we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now we should click to open the app and tap to open again, click yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. After that we can see here information about our battery health. In my case it's good. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.